I'm dirty. And it's 5:30 in the morning. Just in the nick of time. That's the cruise ship, cargo ship thing coming in. That's crazy looking.
Living dangerously.
Whee!
You pour over, well head to wind.
Pounding.
Nothing like a little pour over and a bean.
Alright, so here's the scoop. We just left the protection here. We're motoring almost head to wind so we can then get far enough away from this island. We don't want to end up in those shallows, so we can turn and then start to sail. Now, this line's a direct line, which we won't be able to do. We're gonna have to sail like way over here and then tack in order to get to our destination.
Gotta time the steps just perfectly with the waves. Okay, egg, toast, coffee.
Yay!
Yay! Oh, with fresh local, of course. That is the spring onions and some capers.
Local eggs.
Yeah,
And
local
our
eggs.
coffee.
Local bread. Not local coffee. Locally made. I guess we just snapped again. Ah. Damn it. Well, that's not fun.
Hell. We got the Genoa.
Yeah.
That's it. The main's gone. Okay.
Well, not exactly the morning or the day that we were expecting. We've got it all lashed down. A few lines for now, but the Traveler, the one side officially just busted right off. So now we don't really have anything very good to attach it to. Decided to turn back. And we're headed to a slightly different anchorage, but it's only 10 nautical miles from where we were, because we officially need the part now. We can't really, I don't know, I don't want to keep going very far.
Especially not head to wind.
Not head to wind, especially with how it is. This will give us a chance in a calm day to figure it out, lash it down better, and make a plan. Man, it just sucks, because now we've got to skip all these islands that are down here. It's only like 2 that we were going to hit, but still, maybe we can come back.
Who knows?
Who knows? Dang it. Hey, it's Rossborough. We'll have a good time to this other island. Okay. We're sailing. Well, not exactly where we thought we were going to be today, but it's beautiful nonetheless, and it's something new. So there we go. Exploring still to be had.
Hey, Hey, we made it. Are you alive?
We're here. Come on. Come on.
Kitty kebab.
He doesn't even care.
Nope.
Singa, come
Cleo.
outside.
We're here, kitty.
Go look and see where we are. Going for our first battle in French Polynesia! Yeah! And we've got friends that we met in the Bahamas who have just arrived as well. They're in our sister boat. But we gotta hurry because it looks like there's a storm coming.
You're gonna paddle, you need that.
Yes. Look at that go.
Hey, I got a sweet suspicion these are good times. That our sunrise would come, and that a goodbye are never gone.
See that? Definitely a little piggy trail.
Look at that. And then they disappear.
Our friends told us that there is a road, they think, somewhere up here. And we don't know what's there, if it's a village or just homes or whatever, but we figured we're gonna go see what we can find on this island. So we're exploring shoes. Huh? Ready to go.
What'd you find?
Limes.
Ha, cool.
Little lime tree. Not doing very well, so there aren't very many limes on there. A lot that are on the ground, but I have good news for you. I see a mojito in your future.
Woo!
There are two solid facts about this island. One is the ant population is alive, well, and thriving, because if you stand for even 2 seconds, they are like swarming all over your feet. But they're not biting, so that's okay. Second being that there are a ton of coconuts, but they are sadly all like 50 feet in the air, so we cannot get any of them. Oh,
And
just out of reach.
it's kind of nerve-wracking because every now and then you'll hear one fall.
Yeah, it would.
That
It'd
would
take you out.
Oof.
Take you out.
There's no road. We thought maybe we'd kind of stumble along a road. We could hear some roosters. Maybe we get to a house, but it is so dense. Just every which way you look, it's so dense you can't do anything but maybe hack your way through with a machete or something. But we found some limes. We got half a mile walk in, and you know, it's still some land time and exploring, and that's what it's all about. But this view is just absolutely amazing.
It's gonna give it a go. The hunter's going up.
How can I get down? That's the question.
You're practically half monkey. You got this. Look at him go. Like it's his native habitat. The rare and elusive Jason monkey.
Watch out. I should have brought a machete. Alright, here we go. They're definitely worn pants. Padded underwear.
Do you see that wall? Go ahead and knock it down. And do you see my face?
I'm gonna jump now.
I'll always be around. say feel that rhythm, let your mind let go, picking up on the subtle signals of your sight. Selfish disconnected, all the things we have perfected when the wind changes all is right. I think we better learn sometime. I think we better learn sometime. Yeah. Nah, nah.
Man, they come in big sometimes.
At the Coco
Can't take big swings at it like the locals. Plus, I don't really know what I'm doing. It's probably only the 20th coconut I've ever opened.
Only the 20th?
Yeah, but I do like a little pieces, just, and then I can peel it apart. It's a lot of work. It's the first brown one we've ever gotten, and it still has milk in it, so I thought we would just see. I don't know, why not, right? Yeah, that's what it looks like on the inside, like the coconut you buy at the grocery store. Just takes about a half an hour to get to that point. No such thing as a free lunch.
That can be our lunch.
You know.
Singa's free meal.
Yeah. There you go. That's what you buy at Whole Foods for $7.
Good job.
Okay, that's the flesh. We'll drill a little hole in with a kitchen knife and try to get the juice and see what happens.
Mama's cooking in the kitchen, and our stomachs have eyes. We take a seat at the table as the sun splits through the open blinds. Dolly's barking from the front yard.
Supervisor's taking a nap.
She wants to come inside.
Wow, Singa, way to lay down on
Got
the
a
job.
sweet suspicion.
It's a lot of work. Jason's quest for the coconut, collectively, I don't know,
Hours of work.
yeah, an hour per coconut or something. And I don't know, there's something about it that we didn't go to a store and buy it. We went to an island and picked it off of a tree. We're getting it out ourselves. It's gonna be the best smoothie ever. I have discovered that the slightly younger coconut, the one that was still green on the outside, is much easier to get the meat out of. Wow, what a difference. Literally 2 pieces, the whole thing. Amazing. Versus like chipping away at it with either a knife or
Chisel.
a chisel. Yeah, this is it. It's our last one, and then our friend CJ is coming over. He thinks he has a solution for our traveler, which would be a big deal. So, worth putting a hold on the coconut quest. What's going on?
So we need to, when this traveler broke, it kind of squeezed these 2 pieces together, so now we have to open them back up a little bit because we actually have the pin that can go in.
Why do we have the pen that can go in?
Because of our friends on holiday.
Oh, makes sense for holiday.
They're supposed to be on holiday, and he's over here working. Okay, so let's
This is
see.
our friend CJ.
Hello.
So now I get the new one shipped to Tahiti directly.
Yeah, I'll save you $2.
Yeah. Well, we have a fix, a solution. I don't trust it 100%, so I don't know if we'll be flying the full mainsail until we get a new traveler system. But he had the pin from the factory because he's had a similar issue and replaced his. And we just basically pulled the old pin out, put the new pin in, and that was that. All my pieces are obviously compromised. They're all bent and warped. So that's why I don't trust this setup. Like, you know, it's a whole jerry-rig system, but I'm pretty satisfied.
It's gonna get us to Tahiti,
Yes.
and that's all that matters.
That's all that matters.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
I just found a washer. Uh-oh.
Oh, that's
We don't need that.
Who knows where that's supposed to go? Oh. We are going to move anchorages, all of, I don't know, might be a quarter of a nautical mile. Right next door, but the wind keeps whipping off of this valley, and we're getting gusts up to like 25 and 30 knots, and it's making the anchorage a bit more rolly, so we're gonna move over to better protection. Just in case, because if a storm really does come, that means it's gonna come howling down on us, so easy to move down.
So you feel that rhythm, let your mind let go, picking up on the subtle signals of your sight. The self is disconnected, all the things we have perfected when the wind changed with all its might. I think we better learn sometime. I think we better learn sometime.
It's going to be a mango coconut lime beverage.
So you feel that rhythm, let your mind let go, picking up on the subtle signals of your sight. Self is disconnected, all the things we have perfected when the wind changed with all its might. I think we better learn sometime.
Bigger beans in our last spot.
I think we better learn sometime.
Exactly, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the perfect spot.
No.
Cheers, guys.
Yeah.
Thanks for the help with the
Thank
traveler.
you very much.
For the brownies, that's right. I don't think I said a thing. I said they were good. That's excellent.
Yeah. Yum yum.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked that one, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. See you next time.